Today we are making the best minced pork tortilla wraps. Make sure that you watch the recipe entirely in order to get the best results. And we're gonna begin with the onion and the garlic. I've got here a whole white onion and 3 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna chop them finely. Now with the onion and the garlic all chopped up, we're gonna get a pan on medium-high heat, adding about 2 tablespoons of veg oil, and we're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes or until the onion starts getting a bit of color. So 5 minutes later, the onion is not quite there. It's fully translucent, which is great, but I wanna add in the pork because I wanna continue cooking these, and whilst cooking the pork, obviously the onion will continue cooking too. So I've got here 500 grams of minced pork. It goes in, try to separate it so it doesn't form lumps. Now we're gonna continue cooking this minced pork for about 15 to 20 minutes, I would say, or until you see it getting a bit of golden color. But before we continue cooking, I always wanna add the seasoning right from the beginning because this way that will get into the meat and it will taste much better. Now from here you could go with any other seasoning that you wish, but I feel like the salt and pepper and the sweetness from the onion and that flavor from the garlic should be just fine because I've got other ingredients that I'm gonna add when we're doing the wraps. Keep an eye on it and make sure you mix it every now and then because now it will start getting more and more color. Okay, so I really like what I see here. Let's move this on a side and let's put together those wraps. Now from here you can go in 1,000 different directions, which is what cooking is all about. But I'm gonna show you my way, you go whichever way you prefer. First we're gonna go in with the minced pork. After that, we're gonna get in some sriracha mayo, which by the way, there is a quick and easy recipe that I've done a couple of weeks ago, which you can find it right here. Right after, we're gonna go in with the cheese, which can be mozzarella cheese or cheddar or a combination of both. And after that, because I like it kind of spicy, well, spicy on top of spicy, I'm gonna get in also some pickled jalapenos. Now you could stop here, which is not that bad to be fair, but to bring it to a whole new level, we're gonna toast it in a pan, and after that you're gonna get the perfect minced pork wrap, which I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this, and I'll see you in the next one.